Kinetic signs developed over my career as a sign guy for the last 20 years. This project is very exciting for us at Kinetic Signs because it's one that can showcase our abilities and our talents. I oversee everyone on site to ensure that there's not only a safe working environment, but that we ensure that there's a quality build for the installation of the signs that we bring. And we're very happy about the quality that we're able to bring to this project. Looking back, being able to work with Best Boyz Car Wash and deliver a high value quality project for our customer is something that we're very proud of.
Kinetic Signs. Design, build, install.